Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nubia Neo 2 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow in first two pop-ups. Then wherever you want to in all the other ones. Finally, when you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of Nubia and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Nubia, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit send next to selected at the bottom. Choose got it in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, hit input key section, type in all of those numbers and choose receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!